In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new customer in Zoho Books. Whether you're dealing with a business client or an individual customer, these simple steps will help you seamlessly create and manage customer profiles. Let's start by navigating the Zoho Books interface. On the left sidebar of your dashboard, you'll find a menu option labeled Sales. Give that a click and then select Customers from the drop-down. This will direct you to a comprehensive list of all your existing customers. Now, to initiate the process of adding a new customer, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll see a button labeled Plus New. Click on this button to open a new customer card. Next comes the important task of identifying the type of customer you're dealing with. Right at the top of this new customer card, you'll have to specify whether you're adding a business or an individual. Selecting business is appropriate for your B2B clients, whereas individual should be selected for B2C customers. This slight differentiation is crucial as it helps categorize your customer base effectively for later use. Once you've made this selection, it's time to dive into the details. Begin by entering all necessary information about your customer. You'll notice that some fields are mandatory, such as the customer's name and email address. Take a moment to carefully fill these out. Moreover, depending on your Zoho Books plan, you might also need to select the currency that the customer uses. This is an optional field, but can be quite useful for international transactions. Next, you'll need to input their billing and shipping addresses. There's a specific section dedicated to this, so ensure you're on the correct tab when entering these addresses. Beyond these essentials, Zoho Books also allows you to add contact persons, which can be useful if you're dealing with an organization that has multiple points of contact. You can go a step further and add custom fields or remarks if there's additional information you need to record for this customer. After carefully entering all the pertinent details, it's time to save your hard work. Scroll down to the bottom of the customer card and click on the Save button. With this, you've successfully added a new customer to your Zoho Books system. In closing, adding a customer in Zoho Books is a straightforward process that becomes second nature with a little practice. By ensuring that you accurately input information and properly categorize your customers, you maintain an organized and efficient system that streamlines transactions and interactions. That's it for today's tutorial. And I hope this guide makes your experience with Zoho Books just a bit easier. Thank you for watching.